I am also good. Thank you. What are you doing nowadays?
Yeah, nowadays I'm nothing doing special. Just I am practicing English and I am teaching to my students and I am working on my YouTube channel.
Okay, okay, that's nice.
Yes. And what about your?
So I'm also just working some my school work and also video creating.
You are also creating video. Okay, good.
Yeah, but not Skype. I didn't create any video. Only on Clapping Go.
Okay, only one clipping. Okay. Okay, no problem. Just keep it up. Never give up. And one day definitely you will become great YouTuber.
Oh, thank you for that.
Yes, yes. Never lose our heart. Always be confident. Always believe in our success. And after that, we can get whatever we wanna get.
Yeah, like you.
Yes. So tell me something. Do you have any special plan today?
Oh, no, not yet. Whatever I have to do, I'll do.
Okay. So which type of work do you want to do today? Can you tell me something?
Yes, yes. So today I'm planning to write some file because I didn't prove many things. Fine.
Oh, oh, write files about your school.
Yeah, about my studies.
Yeah, this is also necessary
So I
work.
have to write.
Yeah,
Yeah, I'm thinking I should start because it's already too late.
too late. Yes. Yeah, because I already know about your occupation. You are a government teacher. So it's your responsibility to write files about your school. Yes.
Uh, and I'm also currently studying, so I
You are
have
also.
to write. Yeah, yeah.
So what are you studying? Only English or another subject?
No, 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 no. I have diploma in education. So for that, I have to write something.
Okay, yes, good.
This is just passion, learning here, and I just communicate with people because I like to do this and talk in English. Otherwise, I'm not in this way.
Yes, yes. So how is weather in your side today? It's Darjeeling in my side.
Oh, in your
Yeah,
side.
I
But
think
in my
it's.
side, it's a sunny day. Yeah, it's a full sunny day and it's a too hot day already.
Oh yeah, it is also hot today. Yes.
Yeah. So,
Yeah, if I talk about our temperature today, so 30 degrees Celsius.
okay.
Yes. So we are feeling hot.
Right. Okay, so
Yeah,
what is going in your study? What you planning?
yeah, just I am studying English because nowadays I have no any subject. So yeah, after taking my admission in BA, I will study properly and I will make my schedule. I will make my daily routine and which type of subject I have to study every day and for how many minutes, for how many hours I have to study. So that time I will make schedule. Yes, and that time I will study properly and I will also focus on my English very well because nowadays I'm nothing doing any special work for English. Just I am practicing English and I am trying to work on my YouTube channel and I am uploading video on my YouTube channel. So this is easy for me and this is simple work for me. But I want to do like best work. I want to do good work so that I can develop more and I can become perfect.
You can do. You can do. Very easy.
Yes, I can
I
do. I'm not, yes, I can do, but I am not doing.
okay. Okay. Something will take time, but
Yes, yes,
after some time you will do. Definitely.
yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, could you tell me about your schedule? Means you just tell me about schedule. So are you believing schedule means the people's, not people, students learning by schedule, by timetable, okay, and some students not follow this. So what is the benefit of this?
Oh,
I'm
what
just
is the
asking, I'm
yes?
just asking to you because you are a student. So what you are feeling about this?
Yeah, it's a really nice question. It's a really nice question for all students because
Yes.
yeah, if they follow their schedule, then they will do good work and they will develop very soon. And yeah, and they will become like intelligent boy and good boy. Because if we follow our schedule, so we can study properly. Because whenever we see at our schedule, whenever we look at our schedule, so according to our time, according to our schedule, according to day, we change our subject. And that time we have to study, and according to schedule we have to also do all types of work in our daily life. Suppose that if you have no schedule, if you don't know at what time I have to play, at what time I have to wake up, at what time I have to study, at what time I have to sleep in the night, at what time I have to operate mobile, so this will be bad for your future. Because now whatever you are doing, you will not realize deeply, because you will think that now I am enjoying my life and I am doing like whatever you will think, because now you will think I am whatever doing, this is good for me. But in your future, if you think deeply, yes, if you think deeply, because today if you are not struggling in your life, if you are not doing any like good work, like best work, so in your future what will you get? So yeah, so that's why anyone suggests to anyone, always follow our schedule, always follow our daily routine, because that will be better, and we can study properly, and we can we can like become like punctual about our time, punctual about our daily routine. Yes, so always try to follow schedule. Yes.
Yeah, well said, well said, well said. And you explained very well. Right, I'm also, in favor of schedules. Yeah, it's okay. Sometimes we just fluctuate and sometimes we can't able to follow. It's okay, no problem. But we have to write something and we have to follow. So it will be better as a student, as a former competitor, then if you are preparing for any competition. So I think it will be better because I
Yeah,
also
yes.
followed, yeah, in my study time. So right. And I know it's, sometimes it will be difficult because at the accurate time, you are not able to work sometimes is in different work. It's okay, but if my point is that if you have just write in your schedule that I have to learn English in 1 hour, okay, in 1 hour. So, okay, if at the exact time you are busy, so after some time or after later, whenever you will free, you have to read and learn it at least 1 hour, 30 minutes. So it will be better, but never never drop your schedule.
Yes, yes, exactly right. Yeah, because yeah, I want to tell you an example. Because suppose that if you have schedule, then you will do any work on the right time, and you will do that work properly. Suppose that suppose that I have schedule. So whenever I will go for operating mobile and I will go for play and for any work, if I am going to do any work, so that time according to my schedule, because if I know I have to play only an hour, so that time I will care about my time, I will care about my schedule, and that time I will think after playing an hour I have to go for a study. But if I have no schedule, so that time my mind will be not available, and my I will not care about my time, how long I have to play. I will play as much I want to play, and how long I want to play, I will play. Sometimes I will play like around 2 hours, 3 hours, sometimes whole day. So if you have no schedule, then you will waste your whole day time, and you cannot get the advantage of time. So today, if you are not making schedule, if you are not making daily routine, so in your future you will have to regret, and it is your that today if you are facing, if you are taking today easily way, then in your future you will have to face like problem, more and more problem. That time you will have to think more and more, and that time you will not get whatever you want to get. But today, if you are struggling in your life, if you are doing hard work and you are struggling in your life, and you are making it hard for you. You are not thinking that I don't want to enjoy today. Today I have to struggle. And
Yes.
after doing a struggle 4 years, 5 years, because in a student life, mostly what happened, because in a
Mhm.
student life, we have to only struggle around 5 years, 6 years until you get your job. Yes. So we have to struggle. And after getting our job, we have to enjoy whole day, whole life. So that time we can enjoy whole life, and that time you will feel like better life, and that time we
Yes.
will think like now we are doing great work. Yeah. So
Yeah.
only focus about your present. If your present is going smoothly, so it
Yeah.
means you will not get any special in your future. But if you are like struggling in your today, and if your present is not going smoothly, you are doing something special for your future, then definitely in your future you will get a special sweet, a special result, and a special work. So
Yeah.
always
We
try to,
can
yeah.
say that uh, we can say that like if you are comfortable in present time, so you will become uncomfortable in your future. And you, if
Yes,
you are uncomfortable right now, then your future you will be comfortable.
comfortable, yes,
So
yeah,
yeah, that
yeah,
is the way. Yeah, I'm also agree with you because you said exactly the right point. And so because we know our soldiers, army soldiers, and our police, they are so punctual. They are disciplined. So I'm not saying like that, but whatever you are doing, so that's your responsibility. You have some schedule, you have some discipline. Because forcefully, if you are follow something, so it will not good for you. Forcefully, you're just doing, and you are not involved internally, mentally. But if you schedule for yourself, so it will be good for you because that time you are regulating yourself.
yes, exactly, you are right. Yeah, we don't need to do any work forcefully, because if you do any work, yeah, by the force of anyone, yeah, and if anyone emphasize to do any work, so in that work, if you have no interest, so you cannot do that work properly.
Yes.
Yeah, and you cannot do that work completely. So always try to do any work with great interest, and
Yes.
yeah, with our heart, because we always try to do any work with our interest, because if you will have interest, then you will do any work like good
Yeah.
and on the right time. Yes, and that work will be good. Yes.
That will be good. Yes. Nowadays, you can see that people doing little things means earlier these things have no value, but right now people doing these kind of things, and they are most popular, and they are so famous, and they are earning too much. So
Yes,
just you
definitely.
have to pick up one thing that you like, and you just go with this long term. Definitely, you will be successful one day. So that is
Yes.
my thinking. That's my opinion about schedule. That just yeah stuck in
Also,
my
I
mind.
also
That
agree. Yes, I am also agree with your opinion about your thinking. Yes, whatever you have spoken, that is really awesome and good.
okay. Okay, so tell me. It's okay. This is
So
all
what's
about our schedule conversation. Yeah.
yes.
Okay. Okay.
So do you like to
Yes.
yeah, do you like to suggest to your students they should also make schedule or not?
Yeah, definitely. Because if I like it, then definitely I'll suggest everyone. You can follow. You will do something in a proper way. Then if just okay, just you thought if you wake up at early morning and you have no schedule for a day, only for one day. So what do you do? You just lost your day. Don't you
Yes,
agree with me?
exactly. Now,
And
yeah,
if you have any plan, so that you wake up early morning and you are going according to your plan, and you do your day very well. And you will
okay. So
manage
Sika,
it very well, and you will get
okay, so Sika, now, yeah, we'll talk later, because now we are facing network problem, and sometimes our
okay.
voice is not coming clear. Yeah. So now we should stop our voice. So thank you. This is really nice conversation with you, and I hope
Yeah,
we will talk again. Yeah, tomorrow we can talk. and we can make interesting conversation.
Okay.
Okay, so bye. Have a nice day. Enjoy your day.
To you. Thank you.